There's an old black train a-comin', scraping along the iron. You don't need no ticket, boys, it'll take you when it's time. Oh, come on now, young strangers, weren't you someone's son? How'd you find this depot? 'Cause it ain't where you belong. You will pass a graveyard, stones worn by the years. The train will stop a minute, but don't let it leave you here. Well, the coachman is my brother, the engineer's my friend. He'll get you more acquainted by the time you reach the end. This journey is a long one, it'll take you all around. Life rushing by your windows before it lays you down. Now where this old train's going, you can't come back from. Leave your baggage here because we'll need it when you're gone.